EagleRidge Kitchen, remodeling and design services in Eagle Mountain, Utah. EagleRidge specializes in kitchen remodeling and renovation services in Eagle Mountain, Utah, including zip codes 84005 and 84043. Our team is committed to enhancing both the functionality and aesthetic appeal of your kitchen. We offer services like custom kitchen remodeling, makeovers, and upgrades. For those seeking new kitchen construction, we provide tailored services, including additions, extensions, and design build projects. Our planning and design services cover interior layouts and 3D concepts, while our cabinetry solutions include custom installations and pantry setups. We also offer elegant countertop installations using granite, quartz, marble, and more. For flooring, we provide tile, hardwood, and vinyl options. Our backsplash and wall finish services include custom tile, glass, and stone designs. We also handle lighting solutions, plumbing, appliance installations, and electrical upgrades. EagleRidge manages structural modifications like wall removal and open concept transformations. We offer eco-friendly remodeling, luxury upgrades, and thorough site cleanup. With free estimates and consultations, our licensed contractors ensure every project meets your needs and budget. Call us today at 801-784-1457 or visit our website at eagleridgepros.com.